The ultimate tool carrier is a versatile and customizable system designed to meet the specific needs across various trades and industries. Its core attributes include durability, modularity, functionality, ergonomics, portability, and integration. Durability involves construction from high-quality materials capable of withstanding heavy use in challenging conditions. Modularity refers to reconfigurable components that let users adapt the carrier to different jobs and tools. Functionality encompasses a diverse range of compartments, pockets, and attachments for organizing and securing tools of all shapes and sizes. Ergonomics prioritizes minimizing fatigue and discomfort during extended use through adjustable straps and padding. Portability means being lightweight and easy to transport, offering multiple carrying options. Integration focuses on compatibility with other tools and accessories like tool belts, tool bags, and extension cords. The Bucket Boss Ladder Tool Holder is a compact and convenient tool carrier specifically designed for ladders. It incorporates multiple pockets and sleeves for organizing essential tools like pliers, wrenches, and screwdrivers. The Bucket Boss has pros and cons. Some of the pros are durable canvas construction, quick and easy tool access, organized and secure tool storage, and secure attachment to various ladder sizes. Cons include limited storage space, unsuitability for larger or heavy tools, and potential interference with ladder movement in certain situations. When choosing a tool carrier, several factors merit consideration. Firstly, the trade or profession. The specific type and quantity of tools used will determine the necessary size and features. Secondly, the work environment. Outdoor or indoor conditions, elevation, and accessibility will impact the carrier's durability and portability. Thirdly, personal preferences. Subjective factors like comfort, ease of use, and aesthetic appeal are also important. In terms of speculations about future tool carriers, firstly, artificial intelligence integration. Tool carriers equipped with built-in sensors and data analysis could provide real-time feedback on tool usage and optimize organization. Secondly, a multi-tool compartment. A dedicated compartment for multi-tools, such as Leatherman or Swiss Army knives, would improve convenience and versatility. Thirdly, a magnetic base. A magnetic base would enable the tool carrier to adhere to metal surfaces, freeing up hands during use. Fourthly, an integrated charging station. A built-in USB charging port would enable users to power up portable tools or devices while on the job. These features represent the next evolution in tool carrier design, enhancing efficiency, safety, and convenience for professionals across various industries. It's important to assess your specific needs and priorities when selecting a tool carrier to ensure it aligns with your work style and requirements. Consider the types of tools you regularly use, the environments you work in, and the level of organization and accessibility you need. A well-chosen tool carrier can significantly improve productivity and reduce the risk of accidents or injuries on the job. Tool carriers have evolved significantly over time, from simple pouches and bags to sophisticated systems with specialized features. The goal has always been to provide tradespeople and professionals with a convenient and efficient way to transport, organize, and access their tools. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and intelligent tool carriers emerge, further enhancing the way work is done. For example, some tool carriers may incorporate augmented reality features that provide users with visual guidance on tool placement and usage. Others may utilize advanced materials that are both lightweight and incredibly strong, offering superior durability and protection. The possibilities are endless, and the future of tool carriers is sure to be exciting. The choice of tool carrier often comes down to a balance between functionality, durability, and cost. While high-end tool carriers with all the bells and whistles may be appealing, they may not be necessary for everyone. It's important to consider your budget and the specific requirements of your job when making a decision. There are many excellent tool carriers available at various price points, so it's possible to find a solution that meets your needs without breaking the bank. Another important consideration is the weight of the tool carrier when fully loaded. Carrying a heavy tool carrier for extended periods can lead to fatigue and strain, which can increase the risk of injuries. Look for tool carriers that are designed to distribute weight evenly and provide adequate support. Padded shoulder straps and waist belts can help to reduce the strain on your body and make it easier to carry heavy loads. In addition to the features mentioned earlier, some tool carriers also include built-in lighting systems. These can be particularly useful when working in dimly lit areas or at night. LED lights are typically used, as they are energy efficient and provide bright, focused illumination. Some tool carriers also have reflective strips or panels to increase visibility in low light conditions. These features can help to improve safety and prevent accidents. The way you organize your tools within the carrier is also crucial for efficiency. Consider the frequency with which you use certain tools and place them in easily accessible locations. Use compartments and pockets to separate different types of tools and prevent them from getting tangled or damaged. Labeling compartments can also be helpful, especially if you have a large number of tools. Regularly inspect your tool carrier for signs of wear and tear. Check the seams, zippers, and straps for damage and repair or replace them as needed. Clean your tool carrier regularly to remove dirt, debris, and moisture. This will help to prevent corrosion and extend the life of the carrier. By taking good care of your tool carrier, you can ensure that it continues to provide reliable service for years to come. Finally, consider the environmental impact of your tool carrier. Look for tool carriers that are made from sustainable materials and manufactured using environmentally friendly processes. Some companies offer tool carriers made from recycled materials or that are designed to be easily recycled at the end of their life. By choosing an environmentally responsible tool carrier, you can help to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. The world of tool carriers is constantly evolving, with new designs and features emerging all the time. By staying informed about the latest trends and technologies, you can make sure that you are using the best possible tool carrier for your needs. Whether you are a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, a well-chosen tool carrier can make a significant difference in your productivity, safety, and comfort. From basic tool belts to advanced modular systems, there is a tool carrier out there to suit every individual and every job. Tool carriers also come in a variety of materials, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Canvas is a popular choice for its durability and affordability. Ballistic nylon is another durable option that is also water resistant. Leather is a classic choice that is both durable and stylish, but it can be more expensive than other materials. Polypropylene is a lightweight and water-resistant material that is often used in molded tool carriers. The choice of material will depend on your budget, the type of work you do, and your personal preferences. Some tool carriers are designed to be worn on the body, such as tool belts and tool vests. These are a good option for jobs that require a lot of movement, as they keep your hands free and your tools within easy reach. Other tool carriers are designed to be carried, such as tool bags and toolboxes. These are a good option for jobs that require a lot of tools, as they can hold more weight than tool belts or vests. Some tool carriers are designed to be rolled, such as tool chests and tool carts. These are a good option for jobs that require you to move a lot of heavy tools around. The choice of carrying method will depend on the type of work you do, the amount of weight you need to carry, and your personal preferences. Tool carriers can also be customized to meet your specific needs. Many companies offer custom tool carrier designs, or you can modify an existing tool carrier to suit your requirements. For example, you can add extra pockets or compartments, change the carrying method, or modify the size and shape of the carrier. Customizing your tool carrier can help you to improve your efficiency and productivity on the job. When choosing a tool carrier, it is important to consider the size and weight of the tools that you will be carrying. Make sure that the tool carrier is large enough to hold all of your tools, and that it is strong enough to support the weight. It is also important to consider the comfort of the tool carrier. Make sure that it is comfortable to wear or carry, and that it does not cause any pain or discomfort. The right tool carrier can make your job easier and more enjoyable. Tool carriers are an essential piece of equipment for many professionals and DIY enthusiasts. By choosing the right tool carrier, you can improve your efficiency, productivity, and safety on the job. So take the time to research the different types of tool carriers available and choose the one that is best suited to your needs. A good tool carrier is an investment that will pay off for years to come. Tool carriers are not just for carrying tools. They can also be used to carry other items such as spare parts, materials, and personal belongings. Some tool carriers even have special compartments for carrying laptops or tablets. This can be helpful for professionals who need to stay connected while on the job. Tool carriers are also a good way to keep your tools organized and protected. By storing your tools in a tool carrier, you can prevent them from getting lost, damaged, or stolen. This can save you time and money in the long run. A well-organized tool carrier can also make it easier to find the tools you need when you need them. This can improve your efficiency and productivity on the job. Tool carriers are a versatile and essential piece of equipment for anyone who works with tools. Whether you are a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, a good tool carrier can make your job easier, safer, and more enjoyable.